Is eCom dead? Maybe not dead. But the regular way of running eCom is 100% outdated and expensive. So, unless you have maybe $10,000 plus to invest, you shouldn't try eCom this way. We simply don't have the resources nor the experience to compete with Amazon, Shopify, or eBay. However, what if I told you there is a way to actually take advantage of all of that? It doesn't matter if you don't know anything about e-commerce. I'm gonna show you how to make over $3,000 plus daily on e-commerce without creating a single store or uploading products. You don't have to build up an email list, create ads, or even do SEO. So, keep watching till the end. But before we start, make sure to check the links in the description below to make big money instantly, so make sure you don't miss out on that. Subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Now let's jump to the video. eCom is valued at over $9 trillion. That's an unbelievably large number. No wonder all the big brands are scrambling to launch their eCom business. And that makes it hard for newbies to get in. However, there is a secret way that I discovered. A brand new way to do eCom. I'm talking about a revolutionary way to do eCom that crushes Amazon, Shopify, and eBay combined. An easy, faster, and more profitable way that converts 10x better than the normal way of running eCom. And best of all, it does not require paying anything monthly. It does not require running ads. It does not require sourcing BS products from China. You can launch your own eCom super funnels with winning products in 60 seconds without creating a single store or Shopify. Say hello to super eCom funnels. Proto is 100% brand new, no-store eCom technology. It is the world's first app that builds eCom superfunnels that converts 10x better than the traditional stores such as Shopify and Amazon and generates $3,000 plus daily. No creating store. No inventory is needed. No product research. No delivery hassle. No upfront cost. You will get buyers worldwide and sell in any language. And so much more. Proto comes loaded with hundreds of hot trending products, suppliers link, price markups, Facebook creativity, videos, target audience, and every other tools you need to crush eCom. Proto features are impressive. Instantly launch your first eCom superfunnels converts 10x better than Shopify and Amazon. Get a list of daily hot products with a huge margin to sell. Multilingual support, instantly turn your superfunnel into different languages. Get hot buyers from all Tier 1 countries with a click of a button. DFY ads and videos. You can connect your Facebook pixel to retarget all your customers with more products. You can connect your autoresponder instantly to start building your buyers list. Live WhatsApp chat, leverage the power of WhatsApp to close more sales. DFY emails that you can use instantly to promote more products to your list. Accept payments with PayPal, Stripe, or any other payment method. Express auto fulfill orders delivery technology. Show real-time buyers and skyrocket sales. Smart one-page checkout technology. Add upsell plus exit pop-up to your superfunnels and 3 times revenue per order. Proto uses the power of AI to sell products without ever creating a store. Instead, Proto capitalize on a new technology that the world has never seen before. Proto has access to billions of data points, and it uses it to optimize the sales process. And the great part is it does all of that in the background. Meaning, you don't have to lift a finger. Just let Proto do its thing on the back end. And watch the money roll in. Take a close look at Proto by clicking the link below in the description. And make sure to check the other links as well for other methods to make money instantly. In the end, if you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.